Here I have Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this arrow key to access this panel, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can enable time watermark and also phone watermark. So now every photo you take will be marked with the watermarks, just like this shot on Red Magic 7, and timestamp also. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.